Hello, my beautiful students. Welcome to the class. Today, we are going to learn how to look neat and clean at school. If you feel like you're constantly being joked about your looks, like you're straight out of a homeless chic, then you, my friend, are in the right place. Today, I'm going to teach you how to look neat and clean, so you can stop hearing those jokes and actually shine the next time you walk into class. This topic includes personal hygiene, makeup, uniform, accessories, backpack, good posture. Subtopic 1. Personal hygiene. If you want to look fresh and put together every day at school, it all starts with personal hygiene. Let's break it down. Super easy and straight to the point. First things first, shower regularly. No one wants to sit next to someone who smells, questionable. A quick wash with soap keeps you feeling fresh and confident all day. Speaking of freshness, deodorant is your best friend. Sweat? It's normal. But smelling like a gym bag? Not a vibe. A light body mist or perfume? Even better. Just don't overdo it. Nobody wants to choke on your scent in class. Now, let's talk about your breath. Brush twice a day, floss, and keep some mints or gum handy. Morning breath is not a good conversation starter. And don't forget your nails. Clean, trimmed nails show you take care of yourself. Trust me, people notice. Looking clean and neat isn't hard. It's just about the little habits that make a big difference. Now, on to the next subtopic. Subtopic 2. Makeup. Okay, let's talk school makeup. The goal? Fresh, natural, and effortless. We're not doing a full glam, just a little glow up. Skincare first. Good skin equal to good makeup. Always start with a light moisturizer and sunscreen to keep your skin hydrated and protected. Next, light base. Skip the heavy foundation. Full coverage, not necessary. A little concealer under the eyes and on any spots is all you need. Blend it out for that natural. I woke up like this look. For brows, try to keep it simple, then little bit mascara and lip gloss. Voila! You are done! Subtopic 3. Uniform. A uniform that's too big or too tight can look messy and uncomfortable. If possible, get yours tailored or adjust it slightly to fit you well. It makes a huge difference. Then, keep your uniform clean and wrinkle-free. Please don't look like you just rolled out of bed. Pay attention to small details. Neatness is in the details. Tuck in your shirt properly. Make sure your tie or belt is straight. And double check for any loose threads or missing buttons before leaving. You ever take off your shoes and immediately regret it? Yeah, let's fix that. Never, and I mean never, wear the same socks 2 days in a row. Sweat, bacteria, stinky feet. Just throw them in wash and grab a fresh pair of socks. And last, and main part of your uniform, your shoes. Your shoes complete your look. Dirty, scuffed up shoes, not a good look. A quick wipe down or polish makes them look fresh and put together. Subtopic 4. Accessories. Accessories can elevate your look, but the key is to keep it minimal. A simple necklace, small earrings, or a nice watch can make you look more polished without being too much. Subtopic 5. Backpacks. Keep your backpack neat and organized. A messy bag equal to a messy mind. Digging through crumpled papers, snack wrappers, and random junk. Not a vibe. Keep only what you need. Use pouches for small items. And clean it out regularly. Subtopic 6. Good posture. Secret to look confident and neat. Ever notice how slouching makes you look tired, lazy, and kinda invisible? So always have good posture. Walk with confidence. Head up, back straight, and own your space. Sitting like a sack of potatoes? Not the best look. Sit upright with your back supported. It helps you stay focused and look more polished in class. And that's it. Looking clean and put together at school is actually super easy. It's all about the small habits that make a big difference. From hygiene to outfits to posture, when you take care of the little things, you'll always look fresh, confident, and ready to take on the day. Now I want to hear from you. What's your go-to trick for looking neat at school? Drop it in the comments. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more tips and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Thanks for watching. Stay fresh, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one.